I hope you're well.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Today we are here in the lab in the civil engineering and we are ready to set up the household filter. So we'll briefly run you through all the components that are all sorted here in Bangladesh. And yeah, then we will show you how to basically create a whole installation to install it properly. So maybe you, Mr. Ford, can start.
Sure. Thank you for the introduction.
I will film you.
Okay, well, let's start with the frame. So this is the frame that we've had built and also we constructed ourselves. Everything's made of bamboo apart from this blanket here. Bamboo, just using different cuts in the bamboo and a very sharp blade to slice through the fibers of the bamboo. You can kind of create quite nice joints as long as they're tied together, but there's a little bit wobbly, so what we've had to do is re-brace things with really available wire here, and then we'll re-brace it again once the whole thing's been complete. This is just a local tree. There's loads of logging houses all over the place, so it was quite easy to source some material. I'm not sure what it is. I think it may be mango.
It's mango, yes. Also Tonmo is here. There you go.
No Tomway. So over here we have the setup of basically all the components that go into constructing our water filter. I'll start with this. So we have here is the top piece with the smaller circle and a larger circle drilled and a very tiny circle here for the pipes to pass through. This holds the water with the biocarriers, and then this holds these rapid sound filter. So that would go over here.
On top.
Very nice. We've been experimenting with a few different materials since we don't have any of the plastic machines. So what we have here for the rapid sound filter, one is a simple old
cement bag,
yeah,
right?
Cement bag that we then use some string to tie up and give it some form. The idea would be, and then in here there's some bamboo which we've wrapped around the edges. So the idea would be that this holds the rapid sound filter, and then when they need to change it, they can push the thing up and then remove, clean it out and then push it back in. It seems to work quite well. It certainly holds the bottle in a nice form. But you can't see the sand, so that's kind of important. So we've got this design as well, which is just a basic bamboo frame using wire again to sort of wrap everything together. This works quite nicely. We're going to go ahead with this one today. It fits in here quite well. Wow.
There you go.
Now obviously nothing looks beautiful, but it's all what's available in the village.
These pieces here are also supports for the bottle, so it will not fall down.
Yes.
That's an idea we took from the villager itself, right?
Yeah. So here we have all our bought pieces actually. These were sourced from old Dhaka, so these are little left and right angle connections, which are really useful for directing the water in the different pathways. And this is just some PVC piping used specifically for these from Korea, which we also bought in old Dhaka.
In old Dhaka, yeah.
Then there's loads of different colors, so we decided with blue because it was quite fresh. And here we have a little pipe.
The valve.
A valve.
Basically, you just need one valve to regulate the filter, the velocity of the filter, and most likely you need to adjust it when the water goes down because the pressure, of course, decreases. But yeah, pretty easy, pretty standard pieces.
And then here we have the attachment which goes on the bottom of the rapid sound filter as well as the larger water vessel.
Yeah.
This actually works very well. We put a small hole here. It's made of brass, and we just poked this through, and we tested it for a good hour and no water was leaking out of the seal, and we didn't have to use any glue or any extra tape, so this is a really nice solution. Very simple.
Then what do we have? This is the container for...
This was a mat, and then what this will do is...
Well, you can install it later on, but
okay, well,
basically
this is
goes...
the mat, and this goes in here.
this goes
And
in the
then
bigger hole.
That will hold the larger bottles, one large bottle, which would go in here, and that bit's open here, and that will have what we call the biocarriers where bacteria will grow, and it supports the filtration system or
Yes.
process. And last but not least, that's how everything finished. These are the biocarriers. So these biocarriers go inside this thing here.
Yes.
And then
what do we
this
have?
is anthracite, which is basically like charcoal. And that will go in the rapid sand filter, which is this bottle here. This is two liters.
Yeah, and this bottle was pinched, cut through
Oh, sorry, yeah.
a hole here to basically allow the pipe to go in to feed the filter, and also another hole for the overflow and the aeration. We might need to add extra holes for extra aeration, but yeah, this is the basic mechanism. And then
This is the sand, and this is Domar sand, specifically for rapid sand filters.
So I think the diameter is about points
0.3 to 0.7
Yes.
millimeters.
Very precise, Mr. Ford. Very precise.
Cool, so what we're going to do now is build the rest of the filter.
Yes.
And yeah.
We'll set it up,
We'll set it
and yeah, we'll try to make a stop motion so then it's a bit quicker to follow, and you'll see how it comes out. See you later.
Bye.
Hello again. The installation has been done. Now we talk you through a little more into the details. So
this is the vessel which will be carrying all the water. So this will be filled with contaminated water with arsenic. In here you see we have biocarriers or biomaterial. This just allows bacteria to grow in it and helps with the filtration of the water. This is the same bowl that we've just cut the bottom off. This is our little bamboo cement bag creation so that we could hold this bottle just at this level, because if it was too low then there'd always be water sitting in the end of the bottle.
basically the concept is, a theory actually, is that the water level has to be lower in order for it to fill the other filter. So then it's connected here.
It goes along here and
Goes
then back
up
up through the hole.
through
And
the
this
hole.
is the one control and personal interaction, which then controls the velocity
of the filter.
of the filter and its flow. The water will travel down into the rapid sand filter, which is just in the top here.
There we go.
And then
See
this
bottle, half sand, half anthracite.
Yep, anthracite sand.
Here we should leave a bit more space, maybe take away a bit of material, but this is again the theory. So this water will drop in here. There's an overflow pipe on the side, so if the water comes too high it will go out. Then it goes down again. There we added a small piece of cloth in order for it to filter bacteria, but also to keep the sand in place. So then it goes out.
So the water should, when you fill it up, should fill all the way up to the same level that this pipe is at. So it should stop just here. And then we want to keep this level, water level, constant through the whole filtration process. So you want there to be an even filtration instead of it trickling down through the center. So that's why this comes up so high, and the water to be stable at this level.
And also why this has to be fixed, because then this level has always to be the same. We have right now a bit bendy pipes, but it will soon be better. So it goes up and then back into the final vessel.
Yeah,
for the clean water.
Which will traditionally be a Bangladeshi Kolchi aluminium water vessel or ceramic.
There you go.
Yeah, this is the concept.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye bye.